Hey guys, welcome back to TradeX. In this video, I'm giving you a quick but complete tour of TradingView, the charting platform most traders rely on. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to navigate the interface, add indicators, mark up your charts, organize your watch list, and set alerts. So let's jump straight in. When you first open TradingView, the main chart area is the center of everything. This is where you'll be reading price, marking structure, and doing most of your analysis. Around that chart, the interface is divided into 4 simple zones. On the left side, you have all your drawing tools: trend lines, zones, arrows, text boxes, the brush. Basically everything you use to mark up the chart. Across the top, you'll find your key chart settings such as time frames, chart types, indicators, replay mode, and layout options. On the right side sits your watch list, along with the alerts panel, relevant news, and ideas. And at the bottom, you'll see the Pine editor, the strategy tester, and the trading panel. Once you understand how these 4 areas work together, navigating TradingView becomes incredibly simple. To add indicators in TradingView, just go to the top of your screen and click Indicators. This opens a search box where you can choose anything you need. You will see built-in tools, such as the Relative Strength Index, the Exponential Moving Average, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, along with strategies, volume profiles, and different pattern tools as well. You will also find public scripts created by the community, and even your own saved scripts if you have created or marked any as favorites. For example, if you want to add a 50-period exponential moving average or 200-period exponential moving average, simply type exponential moving average, select it, and adjust the settings according to your preference. And here is a quick tip: keep your chart clean. Only use the indicators that genuinely help your analysis, because too many of them will clutter the chart and create unnecessary noise. Most of your actual chart work in TradingView happens using the tools on the left toolbar. This is where you'll find the trendline tool for marking structure, tracking trends, and spotting breakouts, along with the rectangle tool, which is perfect for drawing supply and demand zones. You also have the brush and pen tools for quick freehand marking, and text or callouts for adding notes directly on the chart. The ruler tool helps you measure pips, points, and risk to reward, while the long and short position tools let you plan trades visually. And here's a useful tip: star your most used tools to add them to your favorites bar, so you always have a quick floating shortcut to the tools you rely on the most. Another key feature beginners often overlook is the chart settings menu, the place where you control almost everything about how your TradingView chart looks and behaves. You can open it by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of your chart. Inside this panel, everything is organized into sections. The symbol tab lets you customize candles, colors, wicks, borders, transparency. The status line controls what information appears at the top of your chart, including symbol names, OHL, C data, and indicator values. The scales section manages your price and time scales, allowing you to use auto scale, lock the scale, show labels, and adjust your time and date format. The canvas tab fine-tunes the overall appearance with background colors, grid lines, crosshair style, and watermark visibility. The trading section determines how your positions, orders, and execution markers appear if you trade directly inside TradingView. And the events tab lets you enable or disable ideas, session breaks, economic events, the latest news, and related notifications. Once you understand these categories, customizing your chart becomes effortless, giving you full control to style TradingView exactly the way you want. On the right side of TradingView, you'll find the watch list panel, and this is where you organize all the markets you follow. You can add anything: forex pairs, indices, crypto, or stocks, and even create multiple custom lists to keep things clean. Rename them however you like, whether it's FX majors, crypto, or any title that matches your workflow. You can reorder the symbols, sort them by change, volume, or name, and quickly switch between lists. Having a well-structured watch list makes it much easier to stay organized and focus only on the markets that matter to you. Before we wrap up, there are a few underrated TradingView features that beginners often miss, but can make your workflow much smoother. If you work with multiple time frames, use the layout icon to view 2, 3, or even 4 charts side by side. Replay mode is another game changer. It lets you rewind the chart and manually backtest, which is one of the best ways to train your price action skills. You can also hover over any candle to instantly see its open, high, low, close, volume, and indicator values. If your chart feels too dark, switch to light mode in the settings. A small tweak that instantly makes your workspace clearer and TradingView easier to use. One of the most powerful features in TradingView is the alert system. To set one, just right-click on the chart and choose Add Alert. From here you can create alerts for almost anything. Price reaching a level, a trend line break, indicator crossovers, moving averages, or even webhook alerts if you're automating. Inside the alert panel, you can choose the condition, set how often it should trigger, add an expiry time, and write a custom message. You can also pick how you want to be notified: sound, pop-up, email, mobile notification, or webhook. Once your alert is active, TradingView watches the market for you. Instead of staring at the chart, you can focus on your plan and simply react whenever your key levels or conditions are hit. And that's it, a complete beginner-friendly walkthrough of TradingView. If this video helped you understand the platform better, make sure you hit like and subscribe to We Are TradeX. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay patient and stay profitable.